Imagine you are applying for a cloud job in 2026. You've learned a few tools, completed a course, but recruiters still reject your application. Feels frustrating, right? That is because cloud is evolving fast, and not all skills are equally valuable. So, what should you focus on to stay relevant? In this video, we will break down the top cloud skills you must learn in 2026. So let's begin. Why cloud skills matter in 2026? As businesses across industries are relying on scalability, flexibility, and innovation, cloud computing is growing to match the present industry demands. Also, employers are becoming more selective about the skills they look for. So, having the right mix of cloud skills can make a real difference. Cloud platform expertise, AWS, Azure, GCP. Starting out, you need to build a strong knowledge of at least one major cloud platform. This includes understanding core services like compute, storage, and networking. So in the beginning, focus on one platform, then expand gradually. Infrastructure as code and automation. Now that you understand the importance of cloud platforms, let's move to automation. Skills like infrastructure as code and CI/CD pipelines help you deploy and manage systems. Simply, it's about building systems that run smoothly with minimal effort. Containers and Kubernetes. After deployment is automated, the next focus is how applications run. This is where containers and Kubernetes come in, enabling applications to run seamlessly. That's why they've become a standard in modern cloud systems. Cloud security skills. As systems become more distributed, security becomes more critical. You need to understand identity management, data protection, and secure configurations. Even if you're not in a security role, this knowledge is essential. FinOps and cost optimization. Finally, managing cloud costs is important. Organizations want professionals who can optimize usage and avoid overspending. So understanding cost monitoring and optimization tools can give you a strong advantage. Cloud careers in 2026 will depend on how well you combine technical expertise with practical understanding. Building these skills will help you grow and succeed in today's cloud landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more professional insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.